Welcome back everyone. As you guys all know, Among Us is totally taking up the whole entire app marketplace in terms of gaming, and you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this 6 pings error. Now it can be 6 pings, it could be more. It's honestly a really annoying thing. And it really only happens when you go and play Among Us online. But I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to go ahead and fix this issue. Now the very first thing I'm going to tell you is that first of all, if you're using a really bad network connection or a really bad cellular connection, it really doesn't matter what you do for the rest of on because you're going to continue to have problems. So you want to test your Wi-Fi or just internet connection in general. You want to make sure it's a strong connection. If it's a super weak connection or even like a decently good connection, you should be okay. But if it's a super weak connection, it's probably not going to be okay. You're probably going to run into a ton of issues. It's going to be a super laggy experience. You can have the best iPhone in the world or whatever, but if you have a really weak connection, it's not going to work. So I would recommend going ahead and making sure your Wi-Fi connection is good. Once that's done, what you want to do is you want to go make your way into the Among Us app. You want to go ahead and click online or whatever you want, but you want to go ahead and change on the bottom right corner. It says North America or whatever. It should say whatever it is for your country. You want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to select the specific country that you're basically in or that what you're around. So right now I'm in North America, so I can go ahead and click North America and pretty much be set. But if you're around Asia or if you're around Europe, you want to go ahead and click those other servers. Now I think they're going to be adding more servers down the line, but as of right now, that's basically what I would recommend you doing, is clicking exactly which country you use and kind of going from there. Now, if that doesn't work and you still have a lot of latency or you still get that specific error, then I would go back to your internet connection, make sure you're connected to the 5G part and not the 2G. You can also try closing out of some apps in the background, and you can also even go up and turning off notifications and background app refreshes from certain apps too. I've seen some people recommend that. I don't know how good that is going to be, but ultimately moving closer to your router or getting a better internet connection is probably going to end up fixing it in the long run. So that's pretty much how I would go about fixing it and what other people have said. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.